Here we go. I've got a brand new video camera. We're going to try it out for the first time here. As you can see, the silver has all been dissolved. Got some very unique looking crystals growing in here. And we're going to go ahead and take this thing, get those crystals, and see what we got. As you can see up here, the amperage is down low, just 0.3 amps. So we're going to shut this off. And then what I'll do is come down here and I'm going to disassemble the cell. Disconnect the electrode connections. Take the anode filter basket out. Take the cover off here. And what we'll do now is take our little plastic scraper. And man, those crystals look pretty neat down in there. Scrape the crystals down off the side of the bowl here. Alright, now I'm going to take the bowl here and carefully pour off the electrolyte into this beaker. Alright, here we go. We're going to dump the crystals into this beaker. I see some nice ones in there. Very unusual shapes and growths here. This is going to make a nice batch of unusual crystals. Look at that one. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Good Lord, look at that thing. I'll put the rest of these in this bowl here and we'll pull these out as I come across them. That's unusual there. Here's our beaker full of highly unusual crystal shapes here, and I've got it in distilled water. What we'll do is we'll rinse these all off, clean them out real good, and then I'll go through the rest of the batch down here, and we'll get any nice crystals out of there and save them out as a group and offer them for sale. Okay, just like before. Hot distilled water going into this container here, and then I just pour it into the silver crystal, and then I'll take a pair of gloves here. I just shake this around a little bit like this and get that electrolyte rinsed out of there. The electrolyte will have silver in it, so I save it in this jar right here, and I'll recover the silver out of this the solution that I'm pouring off later on. This will be rinse number 3, hot distilled water going in, and I've found that it takes about 6 of these rinses of hot distilled water to get rid of all the electrolyte off of these silver crystals. Got distilled water, rinse number 4 going in right now. Alright, on this one I'm going to get a sample in this beaker right here. And we'll test it to see if we still got electrolyte left in that rinsed water. I've got some hydrochloric acid here. And what I'm going to do is just add the hydrochloric acid and look for a cloud of silver chloride to form in that rinsed water, which is what I see. The water's getting cloudy. So that tells me I've still got silver in the rinse water. This is rinse number 4. Alright, that was rinse number 6. Let's see if we can get some of the rinse water, if there's much left here, into the beaker. And there's our liquid from the rinse. Add hydrochloric acid. And we get 0 cloudiness in our sample there, which tells me that it's safe to conclude that all of the electrolyte has been rinsed off of those silver crystals now. Now I'll take the crystals, put them on some low heat here, and we'll just let them slowly dry. Alright, I've added I'm adding these to the rest of the batch to dry off. They've been rinsed free of electrolyte. These are the large, unusually shaped ones that I picked out earlier. I'm just going to add them in here and we'll let everything dry off. As I stated earlier in the video, these crystals usually tend to grow when the copper concentration increases in the electrolyte there. The copper concentration seems to cause these silver crystals to grow better. Silver crystals all dried off now, and what we're going to do is put it in this container over here and get a weight on it right quick. And we got 2,635 grams, 2,635 grams of pure silver crystal. Alrighty, we're going to go through here and pull out some of these nice crystals out of here one at a time. That's a nice group right there. Look at this one. Very unusual shapes here. Nice thick chunky crystals. Here's that oddball one that I pulled out. Very unusual shape to it. There's one that's shaped like a bush. There's a nice one. All right, here we go. I've got all the hand-selected crystals out of the batch there. We're going to put them up here on the scale and see what kind of weight we got. All right, looks like we got 137.8 grams of high purity silver crystal. Here's one last look at the crystals. I'm working with a new camera here, and I'm trying to get the hang of the focus. So I just wanted to go around and give one last quick look at these. These are some fairly robust and chunky crystals, but they are fragile. I'll be shipping them in a plastic bag, and some of these crystals will get broke during shipping, but most of them should hold together and stay whole. This will conclude the video. I've got 4.4 tray ounces of the high purity silver crystal here. These are the hand selected pieces out of that batch that I just harvested. Very nice chunky pieces. We'll put this on my eBay store and let it go for a starting bid of 99 cents and just let the chips fall where they may. Thanks for watching.